Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? It's Ray from CMA. You know where I am. So I just want to give you a quick walk around. This is going to be a really quick one. So I'm just finishing up tearing down the Chevy pickup, the C100. It's pretty well torn down now. So I'm going to just do a quick walk around. We're almost ready. I gotta pull the glass, fuel tank, door handles, and that's for the most part it. It's down to pretty much bare bones. I love it. And this is where it's got to be to start the process. So now with everything off, I can see exactly what I'm dealing with. There's a lot. Things I didn't expect. There's a little bit rot down in the vent. Obviously, there's a lot of rot there. Goes all the way down there. Inside, it's pretty well stripped down. Door panels are off. Let's see if I can do this without getting in the way of the door. Here's something I was not expecting to find. Let's see if I can catch it. Wait. Look at. Look. Come on. Hear that crunchiness? So I got rot up inside the roof. There it is. Up inside the roof. On the inside of the cab. So got some work to do there too. Got lots of work. Do the walk around. There's the left cab corner. I think I showed you this one already. Right cab corner. Down inside there. It's like a tunnel. Goes straight through. Surprisingly, the door is shut really well. All that up in there. All this here. Daylight. All on the top is, it's just kind of crusty and rusty. But that's why it's here. Because we're going to take care of that. We're going to make this thing we're going to make it look really, really nice. There's lots to do, but it's what we do. Alright guys, I said it was going to be a quick one and I'm babbling, so I'm going to shut myself down now and I'm going to talk to you guys probably tomorrow. See ya. Bye.